Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will discuss on list of accounts option in Mark ERP. With the help of this option, you can view the complete list of accounts like how many ledgers are created under main accounts head of bank and how many groups are created under sundry debtors and same as other current assets, duties, taxes and so on. You can view it, print it and view it in Excel format as well from this list of accounts option, and along with this you can also create ledgers under your main account group as well. So let's come and see the process in Mark ERP. For that we will go to Masters, then Ledger Master and then enter on list of accounts option. So here you can see that few options are displaying you. From here you can view the whole list of accounts and you can print it, and also you can view the complete list in Excel format as well. So now we will enter on view. As you will enter on view, a list of accounts window will appear in front of you. As you can see that all the accounts group is being displayed in front of you. You can see bank account is your main account group and HDFC Bank ledger is being created under this bank account group. Same cash in hand is your main account group, and whatever the ledger is being created in this main account is being displayed to you on the screen. And in the same way as sundry debtors is your main account group and how many ledgers has been created under it, you can view from here. Along with this, you can also view the other groups like other current assets, duties, taxes and so on. And in the same way, you can view the complete list of accounts from here. For example, now we will create a ledger under sundry debtors account group. For that, firstly we will go to Masters menu, then Ledger Master, and then from here click on New Ledger. And from this window we will select sundry debtors because we are creating a ledger under sundry debtors group. So as we select sundry debtors, this create ledger window will be displayed in front of you, from where you will fill these fields accordingly. Now let's come to list of accounts option, and then from list of accounts go to sundry debtors. So you can see here that the ledger which you had just created under the group of sundry debtors is being displayed to you. In the same way, if you want to view the list of accounts in Excel format, so you can click on Excel, and in this way you can see the complete list of accounts is being opened in Excel format. And from the print option, you can take a printout of this list as well. So friends, in our today's video, we have learned that how we can use the option of list of accounts in Mark ERP. Thanks for watching.